Hello and welcome to Rushton Caravans and Motorhomes. This is a 2016 Sprite Freedom 6 and this is a video to be able to show you some of the recap messages around how to operate this caravan. At the front we have our stabilised hitch. We need to make sure that the tow ball is an extended tow ball. It's a swan neck which is free of any paint, rust or grease. That will allow the friction pads inside the head to be able to grip onto the ball. Inside here we have our gas locker, so space for 2 gas bottles. Always best to set that for propane, which is what we've done here, and 2 gas bottles can fit quite nicely. In terms of it, the cabin is sealed, so no gas can leak inside the caravan. However, there are holes in the floor to allow any gas that does drop out of the bottle to escape with no harm to anybody. As we come round, we've got our water heater exhaust just here. Our fresh water pump goes in just here. We've then got our battery and our mains compartment, as well as our motor mover isolator. We've got our motor mover. At the bottom here we've got our grey water, so we pull those flaps down and then they get pipes that fit into the waste master. This is for the toilet flush and the cassette is underneath here. With the toilet, with the flush, to undo, and the pink chemical goes in here. And then your cassette is underneath. Lift the orange handle and pull out, and when you're over the emptying point, the orange tube comes round and the grey cap comes off, and that's how you empty the toilet cassette. Once you're back at the caravan, fill it up with the blue chemical. With the heating, we need to make sure this black switch is switched on. We can then choose our power source on the left hand side using the electric, gas or a combination of both. We can then come to this right hand side, and the black knob with the numbers on is the heating of the room, and the outer ring is the heating for the water. It will take around 30 minutes to warm up. In terms of the fridge, turn it on using this one here. Hold this one in to change the power source, and we can change it from mains to car battery to gas, and once we've selected the one that we want,